modify your trolling motor into your Mirage drive. So the goal is eventually to be able to snap that in and have a trolling motor just go straight through. In this video you'll need the cassette that came with your Hobie Kayak, just a hollow plastic cassette. You also need a cutting board to reinforce your cassette on both sides, so you'll need at least something this big. Some insulating foam sealant. We're going to fill the inside of this just to have a little more rigid. Some epoxy, or I've seen some people use screws just to secure the cutting board to the cassette. And you'll also need a 1/2 inch metal rod, either stainless steel, aluminum, just anything that wouldn't rust. And that will replace these little clips right here. It's something a little more sturdy, so that'll just go straight through. And in this video I'm gonna use a watersnake T18 SW, which stands for saltwater. There's a freshwater version as well. For the setup, I'll be using this battery right here. You can see how it compares to the Mirage drive. It's 30 pounds, 50 amp hours, 12 volts. Hopefully it gives me a good 4 to 5 hours on medium to high speed. Hopefully around 8 to 10 hours on low speed. Alright. A little rundown of this. Really light. Only around 7 pounds. Plastic propeller. Reverse. High and low. And the goal is we're going to cut this shaft. Cut it in half. So it just sits really nicely into the Mirage drive. As you can see, it fits in perfectly. Easily. You can see it. Fits in with ease. Alright, to make sure you connect it right, I just took some pictures to make sure all the wiring is correct. Alright, and just remove these two right here. There you go, just like that. Alright, once you get all that settled out, here's all your wires. And I just want to take this part off right here. This part. WD-40 in here. You can just start twisting the head of the motor. Just like that. Of course all the wires will go. Alright, so you want to move all this stuff. And all this. And what you will want to save just so you can use it later to protect your motor from coming up too high to hitting your hole, and also save this for above your thing. So it'll be like this. Next you want to just drill a hole either way, either this side or this side, just right there. Start off with just something small like this. You just put it over a box or something. Alright, because you want to cut a hole on both sides and then start grinding it out. Alright, just make sure you go back and forth to make sure it's nice and snug fit. Alright, make sure it's a nice snug fit. Next you want to drill a hole right through here on both sides. And of course through the... Next you want to use your Dremel tool and just carve it out so you can fit this pole in. I'm going to saw it down then.